Are you tired of studying the same old way for your exams? Let me share a unique trick that will make your study sessions more effective and even enjoyable. Hey there, I'm Amy. I am back with a new video. I want to share a study trick that helped historical figures ace their exams while still having fun. It's called the study soundtrack, and it turns out that many historical figures use this trick to remember important information. For example, Thomas Jefferson, the third president of the United States, used to play his violin while studying to help him remember important facts and ideas. And did you know that Benjamin Franklin used to make up rhymes and songs to remember important information? For example, he created a poem to remember the order of the planets. My very eager mother just served us 9 pizzas. In fact, Thomas Edison was known to whistle tunes while he worked, and he believed that this helped him focus and remember important ideas. So, it's not just a silly trick. It's a proven technique that even the great minds of history have used to improve their memory and learning. You can use it too. To use this trick, you don't have to be a musical genius like Mozart. You can create your own personalized soundtrack with catchy lyrics that help you remember facts and formulas. For example, Ohm's Law, V equals here, Ohm's Law, it's not that bizarre. So, go ahead and create your own study soundtrack. It will make studying less boring and more effective. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.